Welcome back, editors! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this trending, scary and aggressive shake edit step by step and super easy to follow. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to all so you never miss an update.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Extract the audio from my edit. Go to the beat option, generate the beat, and manually place the beat markers exactly as I do. Import your clips and align them to the beat markers you just set. Add the text PNG and apply keyframes exactly where I've placed them. After adding each keyframe, reduce the layer's opacity to match what I'm doing. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end, then apply a zoom out. Use a custom graph for that zoom. Copy the same graph settings onto all your clips. Go to Transitions, select Tremble Zoom, and apply it to every clip. Go to Effects, Shake, then tweak its settings just like I do. still under Effects. Select Fancy Sharpen and adjust its parameters to match my example. In Effects, search for Edge Glow. Adjust the glow intensity the way I have, or tweak it more or less based on your preference. Again in Effects, choose Black Flash 2, a solid flash effect. And set its timing opacity as I'm doing. Finally, apply the same filter and animation presets you see me using.
To be honest, the text-to-speech option in Capcut has become complete trash. I'd just say, leave it and start learning a light motion instead.